shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit. If they hit a base hit or a home run, sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits. But at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. What's up, everybody? Sorry I had the mic muted. Saw that at the end, wanted to fix it. Hair's not looking the greatest. Got to get a haircut today. I got to get this thing fixed. It's not looking that great right now. All right, so good morning. We're here. AMC yesterday was a fun trade. We had the big range. I'll show you on the charts here in just a minute if you just stick with us. We're talking about what's going on in the market when it comes to trading stocks like AMC today. So yesterday you had a range between the low 30s all the way up to 68, and 37.66 to 67.32 is what I'm seeing in that area on my charts, not to the penny, 68.51 or whatever and whatnot, 37.66. So it gave back that big liquidity void there that was between 51.34 and 61.56. We've given all the way back to that and then some. I believe that if it doesn't hold the 51.34 in the pre-market here, if we don't get back to that, we're going to break down to 46.91. We're going to trade between 46.91 and 61.56 in my opinion. That's what I see. And I'll pull that up for you right now. Let's just take a look at it. All right, so here's what I see. This is what I've drawn here for my trading ideas, and I'm going to be trading it from this range to this range. These are my two ranges. So zoom in a little bit if you guys can't see that, but here's where we're trading from here to here. That's my opinion. Closer it gets to this line, the more I want to get in. If it breaks and flushes through here, then I'll have some protection around this area at the 37 is where I'm thinking. So I might actually get in there if it doesn't hold support here. So I'm waiting. If it doesn't hold support here, then I'm going to wait for it to try to find some support down there. If we don't have that support, we've taken to the 15 minute and it comes all the way down to 35.48 on our target. So these are all key levels of support that we believe are going to come into play. That's just what we're looking at. Strictly our opinions, not telling you what to trade, not telling you where to invest, but giving you our opinions on where we think a certain stock might go. Let's pull up another one, FTCH. FTCH is up 42 cents in the pre-market, had a big red candle, flushed it down there. Looking to see it get that back a little bit of this area in that 48.34. If it hits 48.34, look at that. We had a top at 49.62 already showing. So that's where we believed that you should have gotten in at 29.40. It looks like we had a level. Yeah, 29.40. Went to 73. We must have traded at this range. And then now it's at 47. Might like to see, what you'd like to see is for it to hold and be above 50. And then you get your breakout maybe to the upside. BAC, we've liked that one. Called it out. Up yesterday, 50 cents. Up today, 0.05. If this new support, we have a nice upside to 30. If it breaks this level, we see the gap fell below. Well, what we get, we busted through 30 and went to 43 maybe once we called this out around that 23 range. Pretty exciting, pretty cool. Tesla gave you that one, 625 puts a week ago for today's expiration. If you took that, you'd be in the money about $5,000 to $6,000 if you got in around when we alerted. Pretty exciting. Off of one contract, believe it or not. Work. We haven't looked at work in a while. Let's look at work. Work up a penny. Finally broke out of that consolidation station that it was in for about 2 months. No, it didn't. It's still at the top of that range. So, okay. So, look at this. We have just been chopping and chopping. It finally fell through here. Gave you the 39.77 buy point. 44. Hitting that resistance again. Would have loved to got in at 39.77. Did not get in there. Phooey on me. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's going to get a nice movement to the upside. But we'll see how this one plays out. Man, I'm tired today. MGM. Let's go back to our baby. This thing did so well for us for so long. Still looking good. Like to see a pullback to get back in, but I missed it out. I missed out on that 37 and the 36 range. Looks like on, or no, that's when we were in there. Sorry, we got out of this right around this area. So let's put this line here so I know. Yeah, we got out of you right there. And we'd like to see some action in this area. We'd like to get down in there a little bit, get some better buying opportunities. DAL. Take a look at them. 46.13. You have a $17 low, 63 at the upside. Let's see what the... Okay. Catching 46.13 on the daily. Hitting that middle basis band where it has caught support in the past. Watch out, DAL. Get you a little bit of love today. Let's see. Oh, we got to talk forward. Can't go anywhere without talking this bad boy up in the pre-market. Bad boy, over $16. Last time it's seen something like this. Look at this. Look at this chart. It ain't been up there in a while. And it's breaking out right here. Breaking out past all of that. So where do we go? Do we come back up here? 23, 22. By 2020. I don't know. We'll see. I was a big fan of Ford about $20 ago. Just kidding. When they were around $1, $2, $4. That's when you wanted to get in on Ford, in my opinion. Playing them as selling covered calls. There's people in our group making a lot of money doing that. What's up, Kyle? Good morning to you, sir. Rad. Drop a ticker if you guys want me to pull one up for you and give you some levels. I'll do that. I got a few more minutes here so we can pull up some levels on things if you want. Certain stocks you have. Let us know what you're looking at in the chat there, and we'll try to address them for you. And let's go to X. Up 64 cents in the pre-market. All eyes on AMC, going back into almost green territory right now. Almost in the green territory right now. GME. GameStop. Up $1 in green territory as of now. Watch out. Is Friday going to bring some volatility? I think so. So be careful out there. Tonight at 8 p.m., if you want to join Eastern Standard Time, we're going to get together live, Q&A, options training, liquidity, fair value gaps. Let's get to it. Let's learn. Let's get into this stuff called trading. Let's learn the phases. Let's go through. We can even play some of the phase 1 and phase 2 course. We can play those live and then go over it and give each other feedback on what we believe is being taught there. And then use these trade ideas to help us further our career as a trader. So if you want to come in 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, grab the link and get yourself started. If you don't have the link, all you got to do is private message myself, DM me, or just reach out to the group, the Facebook Discord group, and one of the team members will get back to you there. Or you can just email me at kaylor@elitetradinglive.com. That's KAYLOR @elitetradinglive.com. Check us out. Get in there, join, subscribe, smash, kick, punch that like button, share this thing for me. Let's get some people out there to see what we're talking about, what we're learning about, and let's get rocking and rolling. So AMC today, you're trading a stock that is moving against all reality and relativity when it comes to fundamentals. It's trading against the fundamentals. There isn't a reason for me other than I think brick and mortar. They have a lot of brick and mortar that's going to be useful in the future. Whether they go to like virtual reality or if they start doing, maybe moving into like a video games standpoint. I don't know. I don't know how they're going to do it, but if you think about it like this, it'd be kind of cool to go and have like a 3D world at AMC where you go in and play a bunch of different games. You can watch movies, maybe some music venues. They get some music stuff, some concerts to go at AMC. That would be kind of cool. You got the seating technically for private shows, small shows, things like that. So we'll see where they go with it. But just remember, you're trading something that's not normally trading. It's not trading again with the rules that are normally in place. So be careful and stay diligent. Don't be buying stocks that are up 100%. Buy on the dips, sell on the rip. That's my opinion. It's my ideas. Thank you and have a blessed day. Stay green. Jump in, grab the description link, get in here and start joining with us every day, learning and trading with Elite Trading with over 500